Alright, we're going to start out with the blue team. Blue team is always the good guys. Here is the blue team. Now, remember y'all are Section 20 of the British Intelligence. Y'all got to find them triggers before the enemy does. They can be anywhere. Anywhere. East Field is probably, more than likely, that's the research facility. So, y'all stay right here. Get trenches open. If you walk across the trench, you're dead.
Where are the other medics?
They should be coming. So there's you need to check every room of every building from center field, north, east field, at the same time protecting your buddies and preventing the Knox Foundation from acquiring the nuclear triggers.
Another $1 in your pocket.
Here's the other medic. Here's the other medic.
You want to take a one-day breathing? Right out some more.
Are you putting it on live?
1 minute, yeah. This is live streaming right now. Say hey, Dad.
I don't really.
Say hey, Dad. What's up?
I don't have the app yet. I have a live thing on my tablet. Nothing that kind.
So it's in like 4 walls in the roof, right?
Correct. This is a research complex.
That's a horrible research complex.
They could be anywhere. Man, it's an awesome research. You're Mr. Negative Nancy. But I love you, man. Yeah. That's our Pirates Cap General right there. Hoorah.
When you're done with the live stream, it's done. Like,
hey, there's a lot of treasures that are going to be out. We've got. We have literally April 3rd. We've got.
April 3rd. Come on out, guys.
There's 1,000 points available, and all of it's treasure. We got gold coins, gold ore. We've got gems. We've got crown jewels, treasure chests, treasure maps.
Talk to y'all.
2. That's how you do it. Disappear in those bushes. This is our east field. This is our 3-story complex here. It is. Get out and play some airsoft. There's got to be a place close to you. There's red peeking through right there. They have no idea that blue team is already taking this field. Players hit, let him out. Stay.
Medic! He's a medic. Can't get him.
He's going back to his spawn. He's too late. So he's got one of the nuclear triggers. Yeah, that leg fired up, didn't you?
Oh, yeah.
I saw it.
Hey, there's a guy there. A minute, bleed out, Kurt.
We have red and blue all in the complex, mixing up. Remember, if you're waiting on a medic, just sit down on the ground and yell for your medic. If he gets in that RV and closes that door, it's going to be tough for him to get him. Remember, you got 1 minute bleed out time. Players hit, let him out. Yes, this is just like paintball, you're just slinging plastic BBs instead. And as you can see, this is kind of fortified here.
Cavalier with that full auto boom.
Yeah, he is. He is. We're going to try to do some semi-auto days.
Clear in here. That's all I do is semi-auto unless it's... What?
Oh, you wasn't at the briefing. Those are nuclear triggers in those boxes.
Oh.
You need to get it and protect it.
Excellent. What's the objective?
There's 3 nuclear triggers located somewhere. It's a scavenger hunt.
What do I do with them when I look at them?
Get it back to your base, secure it. I couldn't let you take that RV and not let you have it. Yeah, I knew you did. I normally wouldn't give anybody that much information.
Adios.
Hoorah. So red team has secured 1 piece of the nuclear bomb. Then the next round, they don't know it yet, but they have to find the rest of the components and build them. Language! There's blue in pursuit. Alright, let's go back over here and check out some of the action. So, red team has secured at least 1 of the nuclear triggers. Blue team has secured at least 1 of the nuclear triggers. This is based off of Strike Back, Season 3, a Cinemax series. Anybody that's watched it, it's Section 20. Players hit, let him out. You can take a knee and yell for your medic, or you can bleed out and go back to your spawn.
Bleed out. I'm surrounded.
There you go. Good choice.
Alright, you need clear your sixes. These 2 front boards are good. We should go check the rest. Alright, let's move it.
You saw the enemy run away.
They took 1.
Language.
They have 1, we have 1. You know if they have another?
They're clearing out the buildings. That's what we're talking about. We got the swinging doors. No. Usually the clothes absorb most of the impact. They sting a little bit, but I couldn't say hurt. It's about like getting bit by an ant. Maybe a big ant, but nonetheless. Paintball, you can equate it to a bee sting. But this is our east field, our close quarters section. Here you see there's usually some more buildings out here, but we move the buildings around with a tractor every other week so that if you come out here, everything's rearranged differently. All right, I'm gonna move to the north, to the center field. Mike, I'm gonna move to the center field. Oh!
Say that again?
Oh, yeah. I just caught one in the head. See that? I had to make good video because I know those pellets were heading straight for this camera. All right, now. I'm wearing bright green.
Let him get up to you. He doesn't have a color. All right,
You
what
just
color?
ate me up, man.
I have no idea. Great.
Say again, over.
I think it's blue. Blue it is.
I caught one in the head. Cool.
Take him color.
Well, we know that red has taken one back and secured it. We know that blue has taken one, and I believe they've got both of them. Blue has two. So red got the one nuclear trigger that they need, and once they have it, now they can continue to build, find the components to the nuclear bomb, which will finish off the day. Since I know that they both have got them and they're protected, really right now it's just an attack defend, where they're going to continue to.
Is he on his way out here? Apparently he found the color.
Yeah, I got him.
What a time to be alive.
Yeah, it fell off on the as he was running. We got him hooked up though.
Fabulous.
All right, so as I was saying, it's turned into an attack defend now that all the objectives have been found. What we're going to see is red team hold the north field and hold their nuclear trigger, while the blue team are going to hold theirs. If another group comes out and if a team decides to try to attack and take the other team's trigger or triggers, then we'll start broadcasting again. Until then, if you want to watch the replay, we'll pick up the second part. You know, you guys can attack them and take any triggers that they have, right? You can attack them and take their triggers if y'all want. Oh, that's what I thought. I kind of had that idea when they saw them running that away. There's only one reason they're going to go to the north field, and that's to try to attack the north fort and take their trigger. Again, this is based on Strike Back Season 3, the nuclear triggers from Conrad Knox, the show Strike Back, which aired on Cinemax. All right, guys. Like I said, it's attack defend. Unless they get crazy, I'm gonna pull you. Sorry about that. Had to. They might sneak over here and they just might get in here and clear this daggone building out. Let's follow them and see. Who knows if they can clear that north fort out. And Section 20 can get steal their nuclear trigger, then there's no way that they can there's no way they can build the bomb without them. But that's the way the story's written. I have a contingency just in case anything happens. So if they do attack and get it back, then the storyline still goes forward no matter which way the game goes. And that's the best way to design a scenario. I've been taught, been learning from a master, and most people look at a scenario as like a movie. You got Act 1, Act 2, Act 3, but that's really not the way that it works. A scenario can go any way at any time. You can't. Ooh, red's got two. Red's got two. Oh, taking a break there, sniper. Oh, waiting on a medic. Yeah, you got to bleed out too. You're this far from your
I know.
base. You can walk over there, bleed out, man. You ain't got to wait a minute. Just go and bleed out. Alright, so they're going to be attacking and defending this fort now to hold the triggers. Conrad Knox's militia. Alright, if anything exciting happens, I will start another stream. If not, pretty much we know we've got 2 here. Blue has 1. I assumed Blue had both of them, but apparently they didn't get out of the east field with it. There's the kid that shot me up just a minute ago. Part of the game, part of reffing is catching paint and catching BBs. All right. Like I said, if anything exciting happens, we will be back. If not, you can know that it concluded red team 2 nuclear triggers, blue team 1.